Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. We actually did just cross over new all-time highs for Doggy for the year, which is absolutely nuts. And I told you guys on the TA that I did recently that Doggy actually crossed, I think, the weekly or monthly or daily MACD on the bullish side, I think. I forgot when I did the video, but it was like a week or two ago or something. I said this is basically going to be the start of the new rally. And it's already been a year, especially with all the news that, especially with Elon Musk saying that the fucking Mars is going to be run by cryptocurrency and stuff, whatever. That's definitely going to pump Doggy and stuff, especially because he's saying that he loves BTC, he loves Doggy, whatever. But we just hit new yearly highs with Doggy, and I think this is absolutely phenomenal. It's going to keep going. As of right now, I am up about 30%, so $218. I did hold bigger positions in Doggy. I mean, as you guys can see here, I used to hold about a couple $1,000s worth of Doggy. I sold to put into other stuff. I did recently buy in again, just kind of holding on to it long term, really. Kind of seeing what happens, and I think if it keeps dropping or if it drops again, I'll probably throw like another like $1,000 or so into it, but we'll see.